In Sheffield, a piece of history was recently rediscovered. Hidden beneath decades of carpet and floor mats, this 135-year-old Victorian hallway floor was finally revealed. Unfortunately, it was in rough shape, covered in cracks and loose tiles. While some said it was beyond repair, Tile Doctor knew it could be saved. Restoration began with a careful survey to source matching reclaimed tiles. We started by removing damaged sections without disturbing the original surrounding tiles. After clearing the old adhesive, we discovered structural cracks in the base, the result of over a century of movement. We stabilized the foundation and then began the slow, rewarding work of recreating the original geometric design using flexible adhesive and fresh grout. With the floor structurally whole, we tackled 135 years of ingrained grime. We applied Tile Doctor Remove and Go, a strong alkaline treatment, followed by a mechanical scrub with a rotary machine. To ensure the best finish, we performed an acid wash using Tile Doctor Acid Gel. This neutralized any salts and removed grout smears, leaving the surface pristine and ready for the final stage. After letting the floor dry completely, we applied a coat of Tile Doctor Color Grow to enhance the natural pigments. We finished with Seal and Go for a beautiful, protective sheen. The transformation is incredible. The reclaimed tiles blend seamlessly with the originals. Our client was overjoyed to see this historic feature restored to its former glory. To keep it this way, we always recommend a pH-neutral cleaner to protect the new sealer.